So we made popsicles for our chickens. You get frozen blueberries, and then you put them in here. Then you put them in the freezer for like 2 days, and then they should be good. First, we're gonna go check our baby chicks. Check under here because sometimes they're under here, not under there that time. And this is one of them.
Look, her feathers are coming in.
Yeah. She's just starting to be a big. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, she's flying. She's actually flying, sort of. We're gonna feed the chickens.
Here, I'm gonna hand it back to you.
Let's go give our chickens some fresh water. This is what we put in the baby chickens because it keeps them hydrated and it makes the water glow. Honey, stop drinking at it. Time to go check the eggs. Come with us to check. We're here at the chicken coop where we're checking the eggs. Today we got 4 eggs. Now we have to go get the egg basket. And when I got over there was like a rabbit and it was hopping to me. It was so weird. We are at the house getting the basket. We got the egg basket and we're heading back up to the eggs if my puppy would stop being so dumb. We're going up here to the chicken coop again. If y'all want to, we can check the baby chicks again. I got the popsicles and I'm going to give to the big chickens and check the eggs. Let's go. Got to be there. I'm just gonna set these down. Then we're gonna get their eggs. Okay, here we are getting the egg. Whoa, there was just a horsefly near me. So we're grabbing this egg, this egg, and this. That was all our farm chores for today.